Hello there, beautiful people. How to get Shopify Storefront API key public token in less than 2 minutes. Very easy. First thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, click on apps from the left panel right here. And after that, click on all recommended apps. Then click on here, which says discover more on Shopify App Store. This is just so you can open up the Shopify App Store without having to open up a Google search engine or look for it. Then on the search bar, type in headless. Simply type in headless, search for it, and make sure you access this one that's by Shopify. And yes, it has 0 reviews as of the time of making this video. And the developer is Shopify. So make sure you access the right one. Then simply click on install. And after it installed, it will open up this page and click on create storefront. And it will show you this page right here. And simply this one, what you need, click on manage for storefront IPA. And here we are. This is the public access token and this is the private access token. And you can generate a new one if you want to rotate the tokens. And if you want to edit the permissions, you can scroll down, click on this icon in here, and you can edit the permission for the key, as you can see. And that's how you get Shopify Storefront API key public token. If you need any help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.